Welcome back to Adventures with Paw Paw. Hey, this is day 6 in the woods. My hunt is still on. I haven't been out in a little bit. I have a lot of things to do. Weather was really nice. I should have been out, but hey, person's got to do what they got to do. And it's, as you can see, I'm a little bundled up. It's getting cold. It's actually 34 degrees. I've got my toe warmers, I got my hand warmers, got my toe warmers on. My feet are pretty toasty, because I do believe with this wind, and got a wind chill. It's going to get a little nippy out here this evening. I gotta stay warm. And you can see here, we got a front coming through this evening. It's supposed to get pretty nasty. Rain, possibly a coating of snow tonight, tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be like, I don't know, 30-mile-an-hour winds. And so I'm heading out tonight. We're going to see some deer movement, hopefully. And hopefully that one buck will pass through. Maybe he'll come by my stand. But if I'm not in the stand, I won't know. So, let me get to my stand. Day 6. You know, sometimes your gut tells you to go sit in a certain stand, and your mind tells you to go sit in another stand. My gut was telling me to sit in this stand along the field, but my mind was telling me to go sit in the other stand. We'll see which one was right. And you still got time. I may have picked the wrong stand. There may be a day 7.
A few minutes later.
Okay, time's winding down. It's almost time to get out. I got a deer out in the field. If nothing comes out in the next couple of minutes, that's going to be a wrap for day 6. So, hey, thanks for watching. If this is the end of the video, I'll see you on day 7. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, up here. And I can use the help. All right? Just remember, hitting that subscribe, it's free. All right. I'm going to stick it out a couple more minutes. See what happens. Maybe something will work out. If not, again, see you on day 7. Thanks for watching Adventures with Pawpaw.